Hey there, let's dive right into this explainer and decode your ultimate first-time homebuyer mortgage survival guide. Ready to ditch that overwhelming real estate jargon and finally become a confident homeowner? Let's do it! Beyond just having your own space, owning builds massive long-term equity and offers some pretty sweet tax deductions. Here's our roadmap. Step 1, strategic pre-qualification. Step 2, choosing your loan. And Step 3, the finish line. 25-year mortgage veteran Art Loera says it best. These aren't just transactions, guys. They're real-life moments. So, Step 1, strategic pre-qualification. We've got to build your game plan way before you even start shopping. This means carefully evaluating your specific income and timeline to secure the absolute strongest loan approval possible. Step 2, choosing your loan. Let's decode the alphabet soup of 3 major loan types perfect for beginners. Check out this master matrix. It compares FHA, VA, and conventional loans side by side so you can see differences. First up, FHA loans. Honestly, they're the ultimate starting point for buyers needing a little credit flexibility. Next, VA loans. This is a zero-down powerhouse designed to help veterans own the land they protected. Finally, conventional loans. They require stricter credit and higher down payments, but offer highly competitive interest rates. Short on cash? FHA's low 3.5% down payment is great, but VA's zero down is unbeatable. While conventional loans eventually drop private mortgage insurance, VA loans completely exempt you right from the start. Got solid credit? Conventional options give you the ultimate flexibility to lock in those super low rates. All right, Step 3. The finish line. Time to move from loan approval to sitting confidently at closing. Remember our veteran Art? He emphasizes that proactive communication is literally the secret sauce to avoiding delays. Today, fast digital document uploads and seamless e-signing make reaching that finish line an absolute breeze. Why does this matter? Choosing the right strategy protects your rate, prevents contract breaches, and saves serious cash. You've got the playbook. Will your first home be built on a standard transaction or a winning strategy?